Hello everyone, today I want to introduce a very good cells. It's the calb 280 Ah cells. And this cells is for the twizy 40 pieces for one cost the old battery replacement. Here, let me see. Here is the calb 280 Ah 40 pieces for one twizy card replacement. And you can see this is the original QR code. And you can see the length is 298 and the thickness is 37.8 and the height is 127, and we will wear the M6 skirt, and you can already used with the connecting pieces and the knot. Maybe you will very curious about the weight. This one pieces cells is, and for calb, this cells is 1C current and 3C max charge. Now I have prepared the real resistance test, the machine, that will test the resistance and the voltage. You can see here is the calb 280 Ah cells, and they are put together. There's no gaps and very flat. You can see the appearance flat and no swollen and dot. And now let me test the voltage and resistance. Now we start to test the voltage and the resistance. Is 3.9 volts and the resistance is 0.4. Let me see the consistency. This is the 3.9 and resistance is 0.38. Okay, here is 10 pieces the calb 200 Ah test report, and you can see from the video, and the resistance is from 0.39 to 0.42. Is controlled in the 0.05 the ohm inside, so the consistency is very good for the battery for cars used. If you are looking for a very reliable supplier and very good consistent cells and grade A cells, you can contact the WhatsApp and the official website. And see you next time.